are creating the most amazing products and just creating new and new products and services, and you're really, really good at it, but you find that your marketing is completely failing you because you're not making the time and effort to actually do the marketing, you're not sure why, it's almost like you've got this block. As an entrepreneurial coach, I understand the frustrations of selling and marketing your products as an entrepreneur. So I have given myself a 30-day challenge that every day of this month, of every day of the week, I am going to create and actually upload a YouTube video. Yes, that is a lot, but it's a mindset that I want to change. And you can maybe even tell people that I'm not really good at marketing. Let me tell you that you are absolutely wrong, because we are all salespeople. It starts from tiny. When we are little babies and infants, we test our parents. We already wrap them around our little fingers because we know how to get what we want. And we can do it even though we're an adult. We just forget that we need to value our products and our services because we need to value ourselves. When you realize you've put so much time and effort, and you have taken years of experience, which has cost you money, going to courses, varsities, wherever you've studied your particular skill, or you've taken years to adapt and grow it. You are taking all of that and you are putting it into a product or a service. You should be proud to actually share it with the world. If you don't share it with the world, it's almost like doing an injustice because you were given these most amazing gifts and talents that the world wants, and you are bringing it with your own unique touch, your own way of presenting and putting it together. There are people out there that want what you've got. They want to buy it, or they need to be uplifted or enhanced, or there's something about your product that is out there. Your product needs to be out there. So my name is TANIA Sutherland, and if you absolutely resonate with this kind of content about sewing, fashion, entrepreneurship, and turning this into a business and creating the right mindset, the confidence, clarity, I'll be bringing out on a daily basis to help you to grow your business and your mindset. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and press that subscribe button. Even I recently only realized that I've always been stalling with marketing my business. I've been so fantastic and I'm naturally good at creating new products. I've been bringing out so many of my clothing patterns and my new courses and my business courses. And I've got to a point where I said, it has to be enough. Do I have this insecurity of enough is never enough, that I always want to overachieve? And I told myself, I've got to stop. I have enough. I am enough. And I have put so much years of knowledge and experience and hours and burning out in so many times, and I'm in total fatigue. That should say something. I'm doing something wrong. And I made this shift. I read a book recently. It's called Energetic Selling. I will leave the link down below. And LENKA has completely changed my mind shift. I've known about these things, but I got so bogged down and so caught up in the business, I forgot to stop and reflect, take some time to ask myself, where am I going? Am I still aligned? Is my work balanced? Why aren't I making the kind of sales that I should be? And then the large amounts of sales that I should be making. And I stopped and I realized I wasn't valuing myself. My products are amazing. My content is amazing. I give the best. I give it from my heart. And I give it from over 36 years of experience, and I share it with you and my clients. You need to have the same approach. Value yourself and value the type of products that you're putting out there. You are giving your best. You're putting out your best. So my challenge to you is that market every single day. If you can't do it yourself, then find a resource or source out for someone to create your adverts, or you create an advert and you get someone to schedule it, your marketing and your sales around your products and your business is becoming more of an intention. You are focusing on being very specific what it is that you're doing. You're not being distracted by creating new products and doing other things. You are making sure that every day you put yourself out there to market your business, especially for social media type of business, especially for business that's becoming more online. You don't have a shop where people are coming into your business. Your shop needs to be online. That means that your shop doors need to be open every day. Does that make sense? Do you totally resonate with it? Well, I hope I've inspired you, maybe kicked you under the butt a little to make you just get out there and get this done. I've done it for myself, and I thought I had to share it with you. So my name is Tania Sutherland, and thank you so much for watching my video. It's all about enhancing your skills for your sewing and also turn your sewing and designing into a business.